so cool and very neat. And we have Lana, which is coming, and also we have featuring Alpaca, and we are at the arcade. We have Hot Wheels King of the Road, Cartoon Blast, which is a racing game, and we have Gun Drop, and so cool. Fun Stop Photos, which is a good thing. Trapdoor, which is a crane and playing game, and we have Stacker, My Little Ducks, the mini crane game. Stacker, see? It's right now doing the recording thing. Hello, can I talk to it? Maybe not. Okay. The recording's over. Sega, Pigs Fly, and have Keymaster, Winner Everywhere, which is a claw machine, Arcade Crossy Road, Candy Crane, and UC is another arcade in the basement that's called Family Fun Center. So cool. Monster Extreme, Grand Piano Piece, Super Bike Street, see, and Pinball Alley, Space Invaders Frenzy.
Can you please film the Beatles game for me?
No. The Giant Claw Machine, which is at Funworks. Milk Jug Toss, Down the Clown Bonus, Sonic and Tail Spinner, Sonic Spinner featuring Tails. Uh-oh, maybe the speakers are broken. And we have Black Wind, Down the Clown Bonus, Extreme Hoops, Gear It Up, Ice Ball, Monster Jackpot, Quick Drop, and Crack It, Alvin and the Chipmunks, Alvin in the Car, Wheel of Fortune, bonus tickets, cool, and Deal or No Deal, Tower of Tickets, so cool, and Air Effects, which is a hockey thing game. It's so cool. There's much of kids, adults, and teenagers. Now the speaker's working. So funny. Whoa, what's that noise? So the speakers aren't very working. So the speakers sound a bit annoying. It sounds a bit awful. We have Typhoon over there. So cool. See? Sonic and Tails. Sonic the Hedgehog, and it's by Sega. The best game ever. There's the song again. Oh, now it's stopped. The sound keeps glitching. Light. Guys, Guys, look at all the lights. Okay. 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 Okay, and let's see.
No, I got it.
Where's my ball? Uh-oh. It's not my turn yet. Well, it's so cool. Wow, look at all of them go. Woo! My brother is going.
That'll be the first one.
So, go back. Oh my god. The arcade looks amazing. So.
Who's the next to find the zone?
Ah! That's a giant! That's the claw! I mean, that's the claw bonus! Ah! That's right! Ah! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's the best thing ever! That's it. So cool. That's the best thing. That's the best thing. Monster Jackpot, which is the ticket game. Oh, think that one is broken or something? I have no idea.
It doesn't work until you put the money in.
Oh.
Sorry.
That's okay. So, Wheel of Fortune, you pull this thing. Looks actually cool. It has a shape like a bowling alley. They're playing the game again. That is so annoying. So it's okay. And okay. So deal or no deal? Deal. Red button and white button is no deal. And it has 13, 14, 15, 16, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's the best thing. So I don't know when the game is stopped playing. Space Invaders Frenzy, which is the best game. Oh, it plays Moment. I mean, it sounds like Feel This Moment by Pitbull featuring Christina Aguilera. And those guns, those things look like lasers. They look like lasers. Oh, yeah. One day, Marmalade. Red start and blue start. I love the music.
Space Invaders.
So funny. Pong, which is a game called this, and grand piano keys. Okay. Okay. drop. And can you please stop playing the game? I don't like it so much. Sonic the Hedgehog is playing. I actually love it. The clown game is actually so loud, so I told them not to play it again because see that, guys, you're really annoying. You shouldn't play this game anymore. Oh. Okay. So there. Giant claw machine, where's that stick you pull is use thing, and the blue button is where the claw goes down, and wizard, I don't like it. Indian Tower, and the bottle. I remember the song Christina Aguilera, Genie in a Bottle. Tycoon, the game. It has 2 fans, and I actually love it. So it has number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. And it has 2 stop buttons. It's actually so cool. It's actually okay. And actually, okay. So bonus wheel, you spin this. So cool. And down the clown. You should stop playing down the clown, please. Your guys are annoying. Your guys are making me cry. You need to stop this. Hold on. Grab my ox. Okay.
Slow it down, Hercules.
Okay, and let's. Okay.
Hey, watch the hair, kid.
Okay. Let me fix this. Woo! Let me fix this.
Almost got them all. Perhaps you should move along.
So, you should now stop playing because I am recording.
No, they cannot. They don't care that you are recording. It is their right to come here and play. So they're going to play as much as they want. You have to come back and record later.
Okay. See? Okay. Sonic the Hedgehog spinner, Sonic and Tail spinner. Actually, the speakers aren't feeling well today. So one speaker plays the song and the other one plays it, and they both play the same time. They don't play the same time.
Time to bowl some more, Lana.
Yeah!
Okay, let's go bowl.
And my ox. Okay. Okay, it's my turn. Wait, no. music. Okay. Woodlawn bowl is the best. It's the best thing in life. Okay. See ya. Okay. What's up, guys? The giant claw is playing right now. Okay. Here's the sound again. I love this song too much. Maybe the claw is very working. I still love the music. It's playing the popcorn song. Yeah, I love it too much. So cool. Good job, you jammers! There's the music again. It's so cool. Sonic the Hedgehog, and it's featuring Tails the Fox. I love this game. I love it. So cool. How are you boys doing? Sonic and Tail Spinner is the best. There's the music again. Stop because it doesn't play too much. Hope you guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe, comment. Okay, bye, Jammers.